This is the Moccamaster 10-cup coffee maker. We've been using this thing for about a week right now, and it's great. We upgraded to this coffee maker from a Ninja coffee machine, and this is just, the taste is just excellent. It just has minimal pieces on here where the water goes through. It just drips really nice in here. And what we like about this one here, it's just got two settings, on and off, half a pot or full pot. So there's not just normal toggle switches right here. That one does stay on when it's on, but just doesn't have all the bells and whistles, but it makes some really great coffee. So again, right here, this holds 10 cups of water. So this is not removable. So you do have to put the water in here through something else. We just use a glass carafe. And then this cover goes back on here. But this right here, this comes off, and it's very easy to clean right here. So the water is just pumped up in here, and then it comes out this section right here. And then if you open this part up right here, you just use a number 4 paper filter, just goes in there, and this just sits in here. But what's nice about this is you could take the carafe out while it's brewing and still get coffee, and it's not gonna drip here. It does have this feature right here to make sure it doesn't go in there. But overall, we're very happy with this. It cleans really easy. That's one of the main things we liked about it, where we could just keep it clean. The Ninja coffee machine that we had before, you really couldn't clean it internally unless you ran some cleaner through there. The pieces just all come apart. Very easy to clean. This is the Midnight Blue. It's like a really navy blue. It looks really nice in here. We're very happy with it. But carafe is really nice. You can see right here, that comes apart as well. We're easy to clean, but so far this thing's just been great. We're very happy with it. The coffee tastes great. The other one had like a metallic taste. Weren't very pleased with it. We're very, very happy with it. So if you're looking for a new coffee maker, absolutely check out Moccamaster. They make a really great product.